Can you give one example, one case with a business where you saw massive improvements? What was it that you did, and can you also mention some of the numbers?
Well, there are quite a few different organizations I've been working with. There was an predictive maintenance process where an network provider for transferring energy, so energy network, was analyzing and working on a different way of handling their maintenance and their way of exchanging components in the network and analyzing data that was available for environment, for the product components that they use, but also their maintenance process. And there was actually a part where missing data or data quality was an issue where we developed an app for them to improve their data availability to get into an AI-based process. There, the final result, they didn't share it with me
Hmm.
in terms of how much revenue the project brought or return on invest that they put into, but it was a team of several teams actually, in some around 20 people, from data scientists to application user interface experts and testers and the like. So it was quite a big type of project and lots of people involved. There were some additional things to think about, ways of working together, and not only the technical approaches and technical issues, but the same thing can happen with even very small single person organizations looking into agentic ways of developing products that they would not ever have thought of creating because paying a company doing it would be so much more expensive. Custom GPTs, for example, can be an approach to bring in some organizational knowledge and develop a small application inside something that's hosted in an AI provider app and use that internally for your organization or even customers and clients and bring knowledge and skills, as you name it right now, into such a process can reduce effort for the same type of task, maybe creating an offer or analyzing requirements documents to less than 20% of the original time. Or if you fully automate it and include an automation platform like N8N into the process, then you might even reduce the runtime from hours or even days of work to minutes of delivery.